Beta testers may not be reporting these issues properly to everyone. Maybe they're just giving it to Insta360 without telling you. And I'm out here and I'm going to show you what's with firmware 1.0.283. We're in 8K video resolution, as you can see here. We're on 8K. I'm going to swipe down. If I zoom, you notice that blank area there? And I could go to 6x, and let me zoom on out, and I could go back to 1x. Let me take this off of the unit, and let me show you that once again. It will go correctly this way around, and go right back to 1x. Either way I do this and hit record. If I now zoom in, I can only go to 2.9 on the 1-inch sensor. I cannot get to the 6x on the 1.1/3 inch sensor. You could do this here with it on the gimbal, the device, only up to 2.9. So now if I want to go further, I got to stop the video, go up to 3 times, hit record, and then able to go past. We are now prompted in recording with 8K. If I come here and I go to 4K and I swipe down and I zoom in to the 1 1/3, it works perfectly. And if I go into the recording and do one of these and hit record, I got no problems at all. Now, the one thing I do want to try and I didn't try, let me get into the 8K and let me come over here, get back into the area, hit record and hit on the side. 2, 2.9, and back to 1. So it looks like Insta360 changed the actual way this is to work in 8K video resolution. Wouldn't you want to go back with the firmware 1.047 that correctly allowed you to go to 6 times and use the camera the way it was supposed to be? I hope this was somewhat helpful to somebody out there. Don't load up something you don't want and you don't have the opportunity to roll back. Can you roll back? Do you know how to roll back? Post down below and give the steps. I have firmware 1.047, but you can't downgrade the firmware. Even though if you change it to 1.02.300, it won't work.